If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making KHUA PEDA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, about 3 tablespoons of ghee, half a cup of jaggery or gur, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now take a large pan which can hold all the milk, and to that first add all the ghee, followed by 1 liter of milk, which is roughly about 4 cups. Now bring this to boil on high flame, then reduce the flame to medium and keep the flame constant at this temperature, because we need to reduce the milk to a thick consistency. So as of now, it requires occasional stirring. When the quantity is almost half, then it requires continuous stirring. And if you have non-stick pan just like this, then it will be easy for you. So after some time, you will get something like this. And this is nothing but rubbery. But we need a thick consistency. So for that, keep stirring and keep reducing it. And when you reach at this stage, lower the flame to low, and we don't need to cook further. Just add the jaggery and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt and combine it really well with the reduced milk. And when it's done, switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl and let it cool down completely. Then to that, add the clove and cardamom powder and the sugar and combine these real well so it will form like a dough. Then take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball first. Then placing it in between your palm, flatten it a little so it will form the peda. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, KHUA PEDA. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.